Did you know the term artificial intelligence was coined only in 1955? The inception of this transformative field can be traced back to a summer conference held at Dartmouth College in the United States. Here, a group of pioneering scientists, including a man named John McCarthy, gathered to discuss the possibilities of machines simulating every aspect of human intelligence. John McCarthy, a computer scientist who would later be recognized as one of the fathers of AI, first introduced the term artificial intelligence. The Dartmouth Conference aimed to explore concepts that were considered revolutionary at the time. This included ideas such as problem-solving, abstract thinking, and even the potential for machines to learn languages. In this meeting of minds, they set out to discover if machines could use language, form abstractions and concepts, solve problems reserved for humans, and improve themselves. Little did they know, they were laying the foundation for a field that would transform the world. This event marked the birth of the field we now know as AI. Have you heard of the Turing test? It's an intriguing concept proposed by the brilliant mind of Alan Turing way back in 1950. The Turing test is essentially a measure, a benchmark if you will, for assessing a machine's ability to display intelligence comparable to that of a human. But how does it work, you might wonder? Imagine a human evaluator engaging in a conversation with an unseen entity. The evaluator doesn't know if they're conversing with a human or a machine. If based on the responses they receive the evaluator cannot reliably distinguish between the two, then the machine is considered to have passed the Turing test. Quite fascinating, isn't it? This concept, as simple as it sounds, has been a cornerstone in the world of artificial intelligence. So, a machine passes the Turing test if a human evaluator can't reliably distinguish between the machine and a human based on their responses. Chess, anyone? How about a game of Go? Picture this, it's 1997 and you're watching a chess match. But this is no ordinary match. On one side of the board is world chess champion Garry Kasparov. On the other side there's no human at all. Instead there's IBM's Deep Blue, a supercomputer designed to play chess at a high level. This was a monumental matchup, pitting man against machine in a battle of intellect and strategy. Deep Blue was not the first computer to play chess, but it was the first to defeat a reigning world champion in a match under standard chess tournament rules. This marked a significant turning point in the development of artificial intelligence, showing the world that machines could not only mimic human thought processes, but could also outperform humans in highly complex tasks. Fast forward to 2016, and we enter the world of Go, an ancient Chinese strategy game known for its deep complexity and vast number of potential moves. Many thought it would be decades before a machine could master such a game. Yet, Google's AI, AlphaGo, challenged and defeated the world champion Go player, Lee Sedol, in a 5-game match. This was a stunning achievement, as Go requires high levels of intuition and strategic thought, elements that were considered uniquely human. The victories of Deep Blue and AlphaGo were not just about winning games. They represented something much larger. These machines were not merely following predefined rules. They were learning, adapting, and making strategic decisions based on the state of the game. This evolution in AI's ability to tackle complex tasks has implications far beyond the realm of games. It opens up possibilities for AI to solve real-world problems and perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. So, next time you play a game of chess or Go, remember you're not just playing a game. You're participating in a tradition that has challenged and inspired some of the most advanced artificial intelligence systems in the world. These victories marked significant milestones in AI's ability to tackle complex tasks. Ever chatted with a bot or seen AI in action in healthcare? Let's dive in and see how these technologies are shaping our world. The concept of chatbots takes us back to the 1960s, when a computer scientist named Joseph Weizenbaum created the first chatbot, named Eliza. Eliza was a program that could simulate conversation using pattern matching and simple language processing. It was rudimentary compared to what we have today, but it laid the foundation for the chatbots we now interact with on a daily basis. Fast forward to today, chatbots have come a long way, powered by the advancements in artificial intelligence. From customer support to personal assistance, these AI-powered bots are designed to interpret and process our requests, providing helpful and accurate responses in real time. But the application of AI doesn't stop at chatbots. It's making significant strides in healthcare, transforming the way we diagnose and treat diseases. AI algorithms can analyze medical images to help in the early detection of conditions, sometimes even before symptoms appear. They can sift through vast amounts of data, spotting patterns that the human eye might miss. Picture this: a patient comes in with a set of symptoms that could be attributed to a number of conditions. Instead of relying solely on the doctor's knowledge and experience, AI can analyze the patient's symptoms, medical history, and even genetic information, comparing it to millions of other cases to provide a more precise diagnosis and a personalized treatment plan. AI is also helping in drug discovery, predicting how different compounds will behave and how effective they might be as potential treatments. This not only speeds up the process of developing new drugs, but also reduces the cost. From chatbots to disease diagnosis and personalized treatment, AI is revolutionizing both our online interactions and healthcare practices. As we continue to harness the power of AI, who knows what other breakthroughs lie ahead? One thing is for sure though, AI is not just a buzzword. It's a tool that's changing our lives, one algorithm at a time. AI is revolutionizing both our online interactions and healthcare practices. Ever wondered how machines understand human language or perform complex tasks? Well, the magic comes from a field of AI known as natural language processing, or NLP for short. NLP is the technology that allows machines to interpret, generate, and even understand human-like language. It's the secret sauce behind your favorite virtual assistants and language translation technologies. Imagine a world without Siri or Google Translate. Not very convenient, right? Now let's shift gears and talk about robotics. AI's integration with robotics has led to some incredible advancements. We've got autonomous vehicles that can navigate traffic, drones that can deliver packages, and humanoid robots that can perform a variety of complex tasks. It's like a scene straight out of a science fiction movie, except it's reality. But as fascinating as these developments are, they also bring about a host of ethical considerations. As AI becomes more prevalent, we need to address issues like bias in algorithms, job displacement, and privacy concerns. For instance, how do we ensure that AI systems treat all individuals fairly? Or what happens to workers whose jobs are taken over by automation? And how do we protect our personal information in an age where data is the new oil? These are not just questions for the tech industry to answer, but for society as a whole. We need to have open conversations about the ethical implications of AI and how we can use this technology in a way that benefits everyone. It's a complex issue, but one that we cannot afford to ignore. Let's think about it this way. AI is like a powerful car. In the right hands, it can take us to amazing places at speeds we never thought possible. But without proper guidance and rules, it can also lead to disastrous consequences. As AI technology advances, so does the complexity of the ethical issues we must navigate. We're at the helm of a new era, one where machines can understand us, work with us, and even think like us. And with great power comes great responsibility. Did you know AI is playing a role in your favorite movies and video games? Yes, you heard it right. Artificial intelligence is having an increasing influence on the entertainment industry, and its impact is more significant than you might think. Let's start with music. AI is now capable of composing original scores, and it's doing so in a variety of genres. By analyzing patterns in existing music, AI can generate new melodies, harmonies, and rhythms that mimic the style of human composers. But it's not just about imitation. AI can also bring fresh, innovative sounds to the music scene, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Now let's move on to script writing. AI is used to analyze scripts, identifying patterns and trends that can help writers create more engaging stories. For instance, AI can analyze the dialogue, plot structure, and character development in a script, providing feedback that can help refine the story. And it doesn't stop there. AI can also generate scripts, producing unique and compelling narratives. And what about special effects? AI is revolutionizing this field as well. It's used to create realistic animations and visual effects in films and video games, enhancing the viewer's experience. For example, AI can generate lifelike characters and environments, bringing a new level of realism to the screen. Lastly, AI is also used in video game development. It's used to create dynamic and responsive game environments where characters and objects behave in a way that's realistic and unpredictable. This makes the gaming experience more immersive and engaging for players. The integration of AI into the entertainment industry is not just about enhancing content. It's also about opening up new possibilities for creativity and innovation. It's pushing the boundaries of what's possible, challenging us to reimagine the future of entertainment. Next time you're enjoying a movie or a game, remember AI might have had a hand in creating it. The magic of entertainment, it seems, is not just in the hands of humans anymore, it's now shared with the machines.